Getting paid through Bill.com involves several steps to ensure smooth and timely receipt of funds. Here's a concise guide. Invoice creation. Create and send invoices to your customers through Bill.com. Include detailed information about the goods or services provided, payment terms and due dates. Customer approval. Wait for your customers to approve the invoices. Some customers may require internal approval before processing payment. Payment processing. Once invoices are approved, customers initiate payments through Bill.com. They can choose from various payment methods, including ACH, checks, or virtual cards. Notification. You will receive a notification when payments are initiated by your customers. This notification includes details such as payment amount and expected deposit date. Deposit. Funds are deposited into your designated bank account according to the payment method selected by the customer. ACH payments typically take 2 to 3 business days to clear, while checks may take longer. Reconciliation. Once funds are deposited, reconcile the payments in your accounting software to ensure accurate financial records. Follow-up. Monitor payment statuses regularly and follow up with customers as needed to resolve any payment issues or discrepancies.